Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Cardano and I will tell you my long duration targets of Cardano ADA, my next medium duration targets and my next immediate short term targets for the Cardano right now. And Cardano is my personally I like Cardano very much and it is in my portfolio and I hold it for very long term and I think it will give you maximum gain. So that is why this is very important video, because in this video I will tell you my next all kind of targets, medium, long and very long duration targets and my expectations from Cardano. So please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and please join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. This is the Cardano page of CoinGecko. It is currently trading at $0.90 and it decreased 4.2% in 24 hours. This is the market cap of the Cardano. This is the 24-hour volume of Cardano. This is the total circulating supply of Cardano. And this is the 24-hour low and 24-hour high price of the Cardano. Current rank of this currency is 6. And this is the website of this Cardano. And this is the website. Please visit this website and read this carefully. And if you want to invest and if you want to buy Cardano, then you have to invest and you have to buy at your own risk, because cryptocurrency is very risky. I will not responsible for any of your losses, because this is not financial advice or investment advice. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. Let's focus to the content and let me please show you some statistics of this coin. And in 1 year this coin gives 1350% profit to its holders. And this is the current price of Cardano, 0.90. This is the market cap. Market dominance 1.78, which is very good. Trading volume, here you can see this is the market cap 0.1678 and 24-hour low and 24-hour high price. This is the 7 days low and high price. This is the current rank, and this is the all-time high of Cardano, $1.18, which was in 2018, about 3 years. And this is the all-time low of Cardano, 0.0192, and it gives 4,600% to its holders. This is it is very good gain. And currently you can trade Cardano on Binance, HitBTC, Digifinex, Bitfinex and some other exchanges. And if you want to Cardano in Binance exchange, or if you want to buy it or trade it on Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to open your Bybit exchange account, then please click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds and get $600 bonus, which is absolutely free. But for this you have to deposit these amounts. After that you can get $600 bonus, which is absolutely free. This is a tradable bonus. This is the withdrawable bonus. You can trade or you can withdraw this bonus after depositing these amounts. Read it carefully. And let me please show you the chart of the Cardano. Here you can see this is the Cardano chart of 4-hour Binance chart, and it is currently in this ascending triangle. And in my previous video I was told you Cardano is in this was in this ascending triangle. I was set this target and Cardano hit my target. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade, and currently it is now in this ascending triangle too. The technical target of the ascending triangle of this is that I think Cardano must have to break this horizontal resistance, and after that it will go to 1.13 or $1.14 is our next target for the Cardano right now. This is the immediate short-term target, and let me please label on this. This is our first target, and let me please tell you my second target of the Cardano. Because it is struggling in this support and resistance zone. Support is at 0.717 and resistance is at $0.98 price level. Once Cardano break this horizontal resistance and close 4-hourly candle with high volume, currently I think volume is low, and our next target after once Cardano break this horizontal resistance, then definitely it have to hit this. $1.24 is our second target. 1.12 is our first target. $1.24 is our second target for the Cardano right now. And if unfortunately Cardano break this downtrend line, then maybe we see some price drop and maybe Cardano hit 0.80. After that, Cardano should have to hit this zone 0.98 or $1.12, and after that 1.24. Let me draw the. This is the support zone for the Cardano. I think if Cardano break this downtrend line, then definitely it should have to bounce back from that zone, which is 0.80 to $0.81 level. Let me please show you some support zone and resistances of these were the previous resistances, now turning into support zone. And here you can see very big rally in the Cardano price right now, and Cardano is creating history right now. I think Cardano have to hit, I am very sure, $3 to $4. This is my next target, and technically let me please show you how I expect that Cardano should have to hit this zone. Please let me arrange this chart, friends. Please stay in the video. This is the day chart, and here you can see Cardano break this zone and this pattern, and after that Cardano move towards upside and hit this. How beautifully hit this target. Here you can see Cardano hit this target. Now let me please show you my long duration targets. Let me please remove some drawings right now. Friends, this is very important video, so please stay and watch this video complete. Cardano is currently in 0.78 to 1 zone of fib retracement, and our next target is 0.98, and once Cardano break this zone, then next target will be this 1.57 according to the Fibonacci. 1.57 is our next target for the Cardano. And technically I tell you two targets. This is our third target. And many of my subscribers are asking to me that is it right time to buy Cardano right now? I think definitely it is good time to buy Cardano right now, because Cardano is creating a history. Many big projects of Cardano is in the pipeline, and technically I think and fundamentally I think Cardano should have to give you maximum gain. And let me please tell you my medium and long duration target for the Cardano right now. I think this is the good time to buy Cardano right now. If you buy this Cardano from that point, then you should then your stop loss will be at 0.71. This is the good stop loss, I think, and then our next target will be, let me please tell you my 6-month target to 1 year target. Cardano should have to hit this target $4 and should have to give you 350% within I think 6 months. This is the target. Within the 3 months. This is the target of 3 months. And Cardano, I think, very huge potential, and many big projects are in the pipeline. So that is why I am thinking that Cardano should have to hit $10 price level within 2021. My target for the 2021 for the Cardano is this. It is 10x from the current running price. If you buy Cardano from that point, then it should have to give you 10x, 1000% profit, and should have to hit $10 price level. And in my previous video, I was told you that Cardano should have to hit $1 level. Price target, $1 was my price target. I was told you in my previous video, and how beautifully Cardano hit this, and it almost hit Cardano 0.98, and I think within 1 or 2 days Cardano should have to hit $1, and once Cardano break $1 price level, then definitely it's have to hit $4 within 1 or 2 months, and within 6 months definitely it should have to hit $5 to $6 to $7, $5 to $7 our next target for the 6 to 8 months, and our in 2021 it should have to hit $10. This is my target. And if you buy Cardano from after seeing my last video of Cardano, then this will be huge profit for you. And friends, please keep supporting, and let me please tell you my final target. I think within 2 years, because Cardano has huge potential, and I think Cardano should have to hit $20 to $25 price target within 2 years. This is the target of 2 years. Within 1.5 year to 2 years, I think Cardano should have to hit $30 price mark, and I think it have to hit. This is my long duration target, and I will hold Cardano for very long duration. I think I will hold Cardano till Cardano hit $100. I will hold Cardano till that. Thanks for the watching, friends. Please keep supporting me, and please like this video, and please share this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for the watching.